Hello, this is a simple tutorial connecting Retell AI to Supabase. First, we'll start off by getting a prompt for the agent. We'll head over to Claude AI. I already did this, but we just have to ask Claude AI to make us a prompt for the bot. The simple prompt, so let's go ahead and copy it, paste it in Retell AI, save. Now for Supabase, as you can see, I've already created the table, so let's go on to Make. In Make, we'll need to create a connection for the Postgres database that's on Supabase. Now for the connection, we just have to go back to Retell AI, click on the connect button at the top. Now we're going to be using transaction pooler because we're going to expect a lot of people calling in for one or two items and then hanging up. So we'll go ahead and click on view parameters, grab the host, put the host in, grab the port number, put the port number in, grab the database, put the database in, and then username. As you can see, it already autofilled for me. So we can go ahead and save. Now for the table, it's whatever table that you created over here. So mine is public inventory. Go ahead and search for that. And then for this, we're gonna do it one and just use a name, and we'll go ahead and we'll come back to this. Now we need to make a webhook. Do a custom webhook. Go ahead and create a webhook. We can call this one Retell hook. Now we'll need to copy the address. Now we'll create a custom function. We'll go ahead and name this get item information. This is going to be called whenever the customer asks for the stock, the quantity, or the amount left of the product, or they could also ask for the price. We'll go ahead and paste the webhook we got from make.com here. We'll use example 1 for the parameters. Go ahead and change the first property to type. The type will be a string, and then so type will refer to if the customer is asking for the price of a product or if they're asking for the amount left of a product. We'll go ahead and copy the type property that we created and create a new property called item. Now item is going to refer to the name of the product. Depending on how your database is set up, you might want to do some formatting. You can tell Retell AI to do this for you. So say our database has orange, but the customer asks for oranges. We'll go ahead and make the correction right in Retell. And now if required, we're going to have type and item. You go ahead and format it and then save. We can go ahead and save the hook. Then we can connect it to the database module. Go ahead and run once. And then let's test it on Retell AI. Hello, how many oranges do you have?
Let me check the quantity of oranges we currently have in stock for you. One moment.
Over here, we can go ahead and end the call. And then check over here, we see drugs, we have quantity and orange. And now we need to set up the database module. When name is equal to the item, now here you can do one of two things. You can split this into two different routes. If the user asks for the price or the quantity, you can go different routes. But I like to just do one route and give the response back. This is just JSON formatting for the information that we want to send back. You can go ahead and save that. And we can try running it once again. Go ahead and Retell AI, test it. How many oranges do you have?
We currently have 8 oranges in stock. Each orange is priced at 50 cents. If you're planning to buy in bulk, let me know, and I can suggest some cost-effective options.
All right, thank you. So it was able to get, we have 8 oranges and the price. Now that we have this demo working, we can easily extend it to say, let the customer put stuff in their cart, let the customer check out if their payment information is already on file, and the other different ways of allowing the customer to interact with your warehouse through the phone. Thank you for watching, and if you have some questions or comments, please leave them below.